once again, no, today is about 5th treatment session. So here, again, total paralysis on the left extremity ni Mrs. Carrion, teacher, no, age lagi niya. So 8 treatment sessions, can walk, no. Again, ipakita na ko, nakabok lang siya. Kabaw lang siya, up with the good, down with the bad, no. So here, again, December 17, again, so here, ang iyang stress test machine, karon 35, no, 5 na moves, about 138, 69, there you are, no. Again, gilahin na ito ang foot, o ang hand, because this is stroke, yeah. Again, thank you to the Harvard, Hopkins, American Heart Association, British Heart Foundation, the Freedom, the Film Section, Zoom in the TV, YT Gamers, and Rex Studio, from the Facebook, and the Yahoo, then Heart is Pure Care, then the YouTube, the Google, karon na natin Microsoft, no? Again, thank you for trusting with us, yeah? Again, please lang, no? I'm really sorry, nga di ko bright, di ko genius. Ako itong yatag ninyo tanan, unahan tamudaan, nga, sus, mura kong lagi Fernando po. So here, 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Karon gasolinahan na to si Mama Aloy. Malagi di sikat kay kung gasolina is the weights, no? Pusil sa brain, Armalite gun na ni, no? By which na nga, makado sa stress test machine, no? Again, so here, ka-5 treatment sessions, tanaway ang kamot, there you are. Again, suklagin nga nga machine, by which wala sa Amerika, wala sa Germany, wala sa Europe, by which na-aranis taga Cebu. Again, watch out for the, ako po nandang unong nga, kuyawan, na, makita na ni mong matinai, ani nga design, by which lagi, gawang Cebu, no? I'm really sorry, no, again, to the President Obama, no, nga, di ko mag-English, but, para makuhaan ko, kay si Putin bitaw, si Medvedev, si, kuhan, mga, mandatory, di man kayo gano'n, sabat ako para gid nga, makuha gid mo, pero lahi man gud ang Pilipino, kay mag-in-English ka, pabuto na to in English ni Pacquiao, bugal-bugalan, no? Again, mana, here, again, these are 5th treatment sessions, kuha to BP, so kuha to BP, then, the gasoline of the muscles, no? So, mara, no? Okay, unsaman, here, again, mumove na kuno, no? So today, our second treatment session, ugma, dako na sa iyahang mag-unang itong stress test machine. Again, stress test machine by which mo ni naka-recover niya. There you are. Again, wasat po ni Kano, no? Kano, mag-start na po siya, balik og itsa-itsa, no? Again, so nag-start na siya, mo ito ni kuyawan sa maulagi na, ingon ana na, no? Maluoy ko sa mga NBA players. Sikit sa, nangaloy, kay gikuhaan pa natin, no? There you are.
Nag-itsa na sa no?
Oo, no. Here, quantity. Here we have okay, there. Here, mga loy, I get it, yeah. Here we have a visitors from Vegas, yeah. Hiya. Hey, good evening, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Almost New Year.
Almost New Year, yeah. Again, thank you. One more day.
Yeah.
Again, how much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines again. Again, thank you.